What's up, guys? It's Canada Day, July 1st, 2017. We got our gear on. We got our A-team gear. And we are excited. We're doing something today. Got Johnny here with me, Ynnoj and Werdna. We are going canoeing. We are actually going to canoe the Grand. We're going to start in Elora. We're going to end up in Cambridge. We're leaving now. I'm going to drive to Elora, grab a quick bite to eat, pack all their stuff into the canoe, and away we go. The canoe we got here is a Pelican 15.5 footer. We used this canoe a few years ago in Kawartha Lakes, and it was an excellent canoe. It worked really, really well. We got her nicely strapped down to the Volvo. It's all nice and tight. Who needs a pickup truck? Like I've said before, you don't need it. And we got my underwater camera with its own little floaty. It's got its own little life jacket. Stay tuned, and let's do this. We are at the Elora Lions Park because we think this might be a good spot to get into the Grand River. We're not exactly sure. The Grand River's over here. There's a car bridge. So that means we'd have to drag all of our stuff all the way across this field. Yeah, there's a private property sign or something right there, I think. That's like a big beaver dam or something. What is that? There's the Grand River. We found it, but this is very steep. How the heck are we gonna get down off this ledge? We are way deep in the forest, so we have to pull the boat all the way through this junk over to this water, and then even still, like, we are literally on a cliff.
You can see on the other side of the rock face.
What's going on? We are here. We made it. We're on 8th line and Highway 21, or Regional Road 21 rather. And that's where we were able to dock. We got a little canoe dock here. It's already raining at the start of our trip, which is not a good situation, but we're gonna deal with it. And up there is a big giant bird. Big giant bird. Getting ready to go. Take the canoe off. There's all of our gear. Six of us driving the car for the weekend. Bye, girls!
Bye!
No.
Okay. Just realized I don't drive on highways, so don't get too lost.
This is pretty sketchy. We're good. We're not sinking. We're good. Love you. Bye. Dude, we're doing it. This is it. We're off like a bunch of monkeys' uncles. There's Johnny, Ynnoj, Werdna, and the Grand River. This is our home for the next 3 days.
A little branch.
Oh yeah.
By the water.
Little bird hanging out by the water there. This is gonna be awesome.
Like we're going all the way down the Grand.
Nice.
Here comes our first set of rapids. We met some kayakers. They're hanging out. This is nothing.
That's probably what my brother was talking about back up towards Elora, that there's rapids. But the water is pretty high.
Yeah, we are in some rapids. We're moving. We're gonna be home in 2 hours.
We go before Lex does.
Yeah, you imagine? Race you down the river.
Hey Lex, you come pick us up. Oh, I'm only in like Waterloo.
Yeah, we're in Cambridge.
We're in Cambridge.
We'll wait for you. Hang a right, buddy. Coast us to the right.
Yo, when you're on the back, you steer the canoe, eh?
Well, I'm not doing anything but filming right now.
You gotta keep us like in the middle. You don't like the fuck going to the shore.
Okay. Look at all the canoers.
Yeah,
Where? Oh. Okay, Johnny. Let me go back to the tree just a little bit so I can hang a business card in the tree.
yeah, let's go after that though. I want to like go down the river a little bit.
Who does?
It's gonna rain again. Feel it.
We're doing awesome. Oh, stop us. There. Okay, so it's about 4 p.m. We've been on the water for about half hour now. And we just left our first business card. So hopefully the next person who decides to take a little break and come into this little on-cove pondish area, hopefully they'll pull that down and check out my channel. If you do, hello, nice to meet you. And we're off. We're going down the river. Like I said, it's about 4 p.m. We probably got about 2 hours, maybe 3 hours of paddling. And then slowly, of course, we don't want to get too far. And then we're going to find somewhere to camp. It's going to be awesome. Let's do this. How do you feel about this, Johnny?
I feel pretty good.
Me too, buddy. This is an adventure.
I feel pretty good. How far do you think we're gonna make it today?
I feel like if we're not careful, we'll make it very far. We don't want to make it far. Let's find a spot right in these giant trees.
That river probably connects to the Grand. Same with St. Jacob. St. Jacob is like the closest town from Elora that said on the map that we go to.
Oh, look at the big wave in front of you. Dude, what the heck are you doing? Oh, you scared the out of me. Oh, there's two big giant cranes. So that's our first wildlife spotting. We just saw two giant cranes. I think I did. I would say we've probably been canoeing for about an hour now, maybe an hour and 15 minutes, half hour, I don't know exactly. Because we don't have our phone, it's in the bucket, locked away, up by Johnny. So yeah, we're just chilling, going down the river. There's this crane I showed you guys earlier. He's following us. It's kind of like he's leading the way, showing us where to go. So that's really cool. It's good luck for us. Hasn't rained yet. Sweet. Got anything to say, Johnny?
Happy Canada Day, guys.
Happy Canada Day. Alright guys, we've stopped. We're stopped on the Grand River. We tied the boat up. Johnny tied the boat up actually. He did a pretty good job. We're now going to explore and see if this is a good spot or not to camp. Not too sure. So, this might be home for the night. This spot right here with this fluffy grass. It's nice and tucked into this little cove. Come around the corner. Open field over here, beautiful. Come around this corner. And there's the Grand River. We're just getting her all set up. It's gonna be great. So we're all set up. We built the tent. Johnny built the tent pretty darn quick. Now it's time to relax. The sun's coming back out. We got some gray skies, but we also got some clear, beautiful skies. So I'm not really sure what the weather's trying to do. But either way, I think we probably get a fire pit and maybe go for a swim. Yeah, buddy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Canada Day, everybody. We made it. We're not giving up. We're getting fit, though. We're not giving up for nothing. We're drinking a beer because we're done canoeing.
Collect some rocks. Gotta get some rocks for our fire pit. We have our tent set up. We got our fire pit made, or our fire pit area all cut out. Yeah, put some rocks in there for extra safety.
There's a big helicopter, the emergency helicopter, 911 helicopter. I hope no one called them for us because we don't need it. We're good. Wow. There's a big hawk type of bird. Looking to eat you, bud. Right above Johnny. Alright. Sun's still out. Oh, that's a big giant black cloud. Good job, buddy. That was a good one. We're hanging out. It's beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. It's only 5:13. I thought it was way later. So we're actually doing great for time. Now we're...
Okay.
Johnny's picking mussels and clams or whatever you call those things. And I'm just kind of standing in the water, getting my feet wet. There's a big giant mussel in here. It looks fresh. The meat's still in there. We should eat that with our alligator. Yeah, that's right. We have alligator for dinner. Can you even believe that? Maybe it'll be lunch. I'm not exactly sure. But we have alligator. When all else fails, this is how you get fire going. We got a fire. We got a little area scratched out for the fire. Our tent right over here. Soon we're gonna cook some steak. I already got the first wound. First battle injury. We tried to look for fiddleheads. We can't find any. We found a big log. That's the second seat. So we got our fire all started. We're just starting to cook some steaks. Lots of Montreal steak spice on there. Gonna be delicious. What a beautiful night. Not a cloud in the sky. There's the moon, as a matter of fact. Just gorgeous. Alright, we're all packed up. We're leaving. We left no trace of garbage, no nothing. I got our garbage right here, just a small little bag garbage. And we put my business card up on the stick there. Kind of like a flag, like a landmark. Hopefully it stays fairly dry. But yeah, this is a great spot. Alright, so we got the canoe all packed up. Everything's in there. It's an even better fit than yesterday because we got a little bit less stuff. Only one cooler today compared to 2 yesterday. It's all packed up. And we're going for a swim. That's why I got my goggles. What's going on? We just had our swim. It was an excellent freaking swim. Got all our gear in the canoe. And we're pushing off. We're headed this way. I'm putting this phone away. We're switching to the other camera. Let's do this, Johnny.
Let's do it.
The tower thing. That's our first good piece of scenery, I would say. Way up there.
Oh, it used to be a bridge.
It used to be a bridge, yep. That's pretty cool. What's going on? We're stopped for a minute here on this rock island, little lobster island. We got yeah. We've only made it maybe an hour, probably about 5 kilometers, maybe 3, I don't know. But we need to swim, it's too hot. We just stopped for a 10-minute swim. We'll be back on the river in no time. So, there's a giant mansion over there with a thing. This is the red bridge Gordy was talking about. We found it, Gordy! And there's like a million bikes over there. This must be like a bike show or something. A lunar park. Just a gorgeous day. There's a lady with her canoe. Okay, so we just passed Conestoga Golf Course, or Conestoga Golf Course, I'm not exactly sure.
Conestoga sign right there.
There it is, Conestoga sign right there. There it is. Conestoga Golf Course. Which means that we are only in the top of Waterloo. We still gotta go all the way through Waterloo. Hey buddy! Someone's honking at us driving down the river road. That's pretty cool. Oh, honk. Pretty sure that's a beaver. He just went under. Yo. There's literally, oh, there he is. Quick vlog update. We are at Kiwanis Park. We just passed Rim Park. We're at the top of Kitchener, basically. Another couple kilometers, we'll be at Highway 7 near Breslau. So yeah, we're making good time. It's only 2:30. We're burnt. We're absolutely burnt to a crisp. Johnny's like a lobster over here. I don't know, if you probably push your finger in, you'll probably turn white. But yeah, we're still doing it. We haven't given up. We've still got our canoe. We're cruising. We need ice and water. The second we find a store or a road, we're gonna have to hitchhike and get some water or something. And some ice. It's hot. Alright. That's it for now.
our canoe through that.
We're here. We made it. We're home. We're in Preston, Ontario. Cambridge, part of Cambridge. That's where we live. We're home. We're done. Done. Completely beat of energy. The official time is 8:38. We left our little camping spot this morning at 11. So yeah, we've been on the water for 9 hours. We're sunburnt. Our backs hurt. We're done. This is the end of the vlog. Unless I show you the girls picking us up. But we gotta wrestle this canoe through the bush first. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned until next time.